guys, River TDB here from the Diamond Bluff. I'm doing another screen recording, this time for cats. This is my machine. It has 317 health and 125 attack damage. Let's do a quick fight real quick. Yeah. And we won.
I'm right here, by the way. It's Laura Lou, if you can't recognize my voice, because sometimes people can't.
Because we sound like exactly the same.
On video camera.
Yeah.
In real life, we don't sound the same at all.
Yeah.
But anyway, so River is playing cats.
Yes.
But
I already told them that.
Oh, yes. But I am playing Minecraft.
Yeah, she's playing Minecraft.
Because Minecraft is amazing. And if you don't have it, you should get it.
But it's $7.
Yeah, just saying, because we don't want you guys to be like, oh, but we can't get it, it's $7. Yeah. So he's doing cats, I'm doing Minecraft, and right now, me and River, we have this world.
Yeah, we made a video on it last time.
Yeah. Excuse me. And I found a pig in Minecraft, so I'm making a house for my pig.
And it's her pet.
Yes, it's my pet. I will not kill it for food.
Yeah. But she will kill other pigs, right?
Yes.
But just that particular one, yeah. I guess it was just too cute for her to resist not to kill it. You know?
I wasn't going to kill it, but I guess so.
Who do you think you are, person? Darn it. I hate you. If I just had like 20 more health, I could have survived that. And the levels would have came, and then I would have flipping won the fight. Wow, that was easy. Ow. Flip. Okay. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is my character. The one that says tap to edit on. I can't bet anything. I literally have nothing. See? No vehicles, no attack things, no wheels, no pushback things, no boxes. I have a lot of these things, though.
What things? I forgot.
Those bonus boxes things.
Oh, yeah, he has a whole bunch of those.
Like, literally, I can't run out of them. I have 3 crowns on each one. It's kind of annoying, actually. Why? I don't know.
Wait, let me see something.
What?
I want to see something.
What? Okay. Oh, yeah, one's going.
So, if you do have cats and you're wondering if you have like 4 boxes,
You can't get any more.
well, yes. But if you're wondering how to make them start, I already started this one for River. The one that has a little clock. If you click on it, it'll say like,
It'll say open now for 10.
no, it won't. It'll say like, past 2 hours, and you touch that, and then it'll start.
No, it'll say so you go to like this, for example.
I didn't even show you how to do it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
And it would normally, and so you would tap on it. You would tap this, but that wouldn't pop up.
No, you wouldn't tap that.
Yeah, you would.
No, you wouldn't.
Okay, whatever. And basically, what the crowns do is give you an extra star. It's like a bonus star for each and every single box you have, basically. So it's like more powerful than if you just got like 0 stars or crowns. Like, for example, if something had like 4 stars, then another star would pop up with a crown on top of it.
So,
Wow.
I'm building my house for my piggy. Ooh, it's nighttime. Let's see. Oh, carrots.
Wait, how much does Cataclash have? Health. Well, okay. This stupid Cataclash is horrible. I hate him. See?
So,
I hate him.
he hates him because he can't win against him, basically.
Yeah. I don't hate him in real life. I have no idea what he's like in real life.
And who he is.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Stupid Cataclash. If you are President Trump, I will still hate you. Even if you're in real life. If Cataclash is President Trump. President Trump is horrible.
That's nice.
But seriously.
Oh my god, creeper. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I beat Jelly. Yay.
Oh my gosh. River, look what a creeper did.
Wow.
A creeper just
AIDS.
destroyed my farm. Well, my farms. I have more than one farm.
Okay. Jack, you are going down. Wow, so hard. Darn it. 13 fights, 1. Can't fight anyone but that stupid Cataclash. If I could, like, bond my laser with, like, a rocket launcher or another machine gun, then I could probably beat Cataclash. But I don't have literally anything whatsoever.
Except for the stuff on your car.
Yeah. Literally, I don't have anything else. Except for my character
Well.
and the things on my car. But, and a bajillion coins. So as you can see, okay, these are really cool. Okay, darn it. Don't look. You can go to here. There's some really awesome boxes. I've gotten that one before, the giant box. I really want the super giant box. The giant box gives you like 10 to 15 or 20 things. And I have no idea how much the super giant box does. But I think it does a lot.
I think. Yeah, okay.
If I could just get another Google Play card, I could just get that or that. I would be rich with diamonds.
In the game.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Or if you got a $50 Google card, you could get 5,000.
Or if I got a $100 gift card, you would get 12,000.
Ha 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 ha! Look at the special offer.
just for $5. I need another Google Play gift card. I want to go to the store today and get another Google Play gift card. So I can get this.
Wait, cat? Pig.
Why did you say cat?
Oh.
Why do pigs' eyes look really derpy?
Because they're adorable. Nice little pig. Come here. Come here. Piggy.
So yeah, guys.
Piggy. Piggy, get over here. Piggy. Pig. Pig. Sir Oinks-a-Lot. Stop messing around. That's my pig's name. Sir Oinks-a-Lot.
Okay. That's a nice name.
Sir Oinks-a-Lot.
Sir Oinks-a-Lot.
Hey, Sir Oinks-a-Lot. Focus.
Sir Oinks-a-Lot.
Focus. Sir Oinks-a-Lot.
You should make a basement, or is that your basement? You should really, really, really make a basement. Wait, let's make basements together in Minecraft next time we do a multiplayer game.
Yeah. Wait, is this still loading? Still going? For the...
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I'm going to end it here. Like, subscribe, and bye!